guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a domain controller using Windows Server 2022. So first you want to search Windows Server 2022 download and then you want to go to this Windows Server 2022 Microsoft Evaluation Center, and then you're here. Click download the ISO. You can put like any name. Like they're not gonna send you an email or anything. So yeah. I know it is Microsoft. Now you don't really need this. Click download now. Anyways. Now you can go to this ISO's download and get the 64-bit version. I already have the ISO, so I'm gonna close it, and then, well, I forgot to hide this, so yeah. And then you can start up your hardware or whatever you're using for it. I literally forgot to insert the ISO. Anyways, install. And install it by disk if you can. Now it should power on. And then it should be on this loading files thing. Anyways, I'm going to be back when it's done. Now I'm back. Now I see a little difference from this Windows Server 2019 setup, and it's this Microsoft logo. So anyways, I'm going to select my language and stuff. Install now, blah blah blah. Setup is starting. Well, do I need to pause the video now? Do I not? I do not need to pause the video right now. Anyways, I will pause the video because this will. Never mind. Now the standard edition would be fine. And you want the desktop experience. And of course, yeah. Wait, why am I doing it like this? I forgot the steps. Anyways, accept license agreement, custom, install it on your hard disk drive. And of course, I will be back when it's done. Anyways, I'm back. So type in a password. And then it should take you here. Now press Ctrl Alt Delete and then type in that super secure password. And now it should just start booting. Now it should just log into administrator account. And hopefully you arrive at this point. Anyways, hopefully you arrive here, which is where you're supposed to be. Server manager may start up. That's expected. Don't worry. And this is Windows Server 2022. I only allocated 8 gigabytes of RAM. And it's still failing. Weird. So anyways, you might as well install graphics drivers now, but I'm not. So I'm gonna start up Server Manager. Now that I'm back, you might as well close this. Go to Add Roles and Features. And then click Next. And make sure it's role-based or feature-based installation. Next, our server, of course. Next. Now click Active Directory Domain Services. And click Add Features. And then DNS Server, because we're also going to make this a DNS server. Now this appears because the IP address isn't static. So you might as well may need to install these, but you don't. And then next, install. And I will be right back when it's installed. Now I'm back, it's done, and it's only been around 4 minutes. You can close this, then go to then click this flag thingy and click promote this server to a domain controller. Now click add new forest and put your domain name. Domain controller options, this is good enough. We can't. Anyways, type in a super secure password here. Then next. Doesn't really matter about this. And yeah. Now you can do. Now do your NetBIOS name. Also, what did it say there? Alright. I mean, I think this is good enough. Anyways, review options, blah blah blah, yes. This. And then it's gonna do a check. Now it's probably just checking and stuff. And then click install. After this, when it's finished, it will restart. Alright then. And you might as well, it might as well be like take a bit long. Anyways, I'm gonna be back. Anyways, you will get this message before it restarts, and then it will restart soon after. So then I'll be back when it restarts. Anyways, I'm back and it's only been like 4 minutes. So I'm gonna log in. And look, instead of it just saying administrator, it says your domain. And domain/administrator. You can join your domain through your Windows host. Anyways, now that you're back here, if you've noticed down there already, now you can look down there and you realize that wasn't. If you look down in the corner, you will finally realize that you got your evaluation, and it's 21H2 for some reason, even if it was actually released in 2022 and we started developing it, and they started developing it in like 2021, way earlier. Anyways, you want to change your Ethernet because you don't want it to be like that. So we're gonna literally just change static. We're just gonna change the IP address to static. Maybe 2.168.26. Y'all already know. Yeah. Now, if you look here, it's telling you that it's being used as a DNS server, but you might as well use the own server's IP address, like a tutorial taught me, and put like Cloudflare's DNS or Google's DNS after this, and then it shall be done, hopefully. Now I gave it 8 GB of RAM, so yeah. Let's see if I can access the domain from my computer. So you want to type this in, sysdm.cpl, cysdm.cpl, and then you should be here. Click this change button, member of domain, and you should put your domain here. Now I don't really know how to log in to the domain. I think it's like giving it using the admin account or something. I wonder if you can get system info from here. You cannot. That's how you know that it's based off Windows 10. And it is based off Windows 10, even if the settings thingy is from Windows 11. Hold on, let me just try making an account for the domain. Can I create an account? Don't think so. I mean, this isn't really like Windows 10, where you can create accounts and stuff. You might as well wonder, you might have forgotten what domain you use. So that's okay. Yeah. Anyways, I'm pretty much confused. Anyways, you got a domain, you got everything sorted out. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.